Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this is lesson 63. Lesson 63, page 434 on the bottom of the page. We're going to start with letter A. I recorded this video a little bit ago, and then I realized that most of the page was cut off and after I uploaded it. So if you're seeing this for the second time, this is a better video. Anyway, so we're going to do letter A. This is the first one on the practice set on the bottom of page 434. All right, so we have 30 minus bracket 40 minus 10 minus 2. Now, again, those are called symbols of inclusion. Those brackets and braces and parentheses, all that. This guy and this guy and this guy, those are all called symbols of inclusion. That's the name of this lesson. All that means is how are we going to do the math? Which order are we going to do the math in? That's all that means, right? And there's a certain order that we're going to do the math. So we're going to start from the inside of all these brackets and braces and parentheses, and we're going to work our way out. Okay, what do I mean by that? Well, I'll show you. So I want to get in the habit, and I want you guys to get in the habit of writing down each step each time, because when you get in Ms. Couture's class, she is going to require you to write down the steps, because you're going to have one question. It's going to be an algebra question, and it might take you a whole page to solve. Trust me. So get in this habit early before you ever get there. All right. So I'm going to write down everything except for what's inside of these parentheses. Now, why am I doing this first? Why am I doing that math first? Because that is the innermost part of my question, right? I have those parentheses are encased in brackets. So I want to do those parentheses first, right? All right, so 10 minus 2. Well, what's 10 minus 2? It's 8. And I am actually going to put that back in parentheses so that I know that it is done. Does that make sense? And if you will get in the habit of, again, this was step 1, right? I wrote the question down, and then this was step 1. Step 2, now, what am I going to do next? Because I'm working from the inside out, I'm going to do that 40 minus 8. But I'm going to go ahead and write down my brackets. And then just, what is 80, or what is 40 minus 8? Well, 40 minus 8 is 32, right? 40 minus 8 is 32, okay? So, now I just have 30 minus 32, okay? Well, we are going to get a negative number. Here's why. If I'm at, let's say I'm at 30 on a number line. Let's say I'm at 30. That's 29. That's 28, right? I'm at 30 on the number line, and I subtract 32. That means I go to the left 32 times, right? And eventually, I'm going to go past 0, and I'm going to keep going. 2 more, right? So 30 minus 32 is actually minus 2, and that's my final answer. All right, go on to letter B, C, D, and E. I'm going to do in the next video.